Are you looking to supercharge your influencer marketing ad campaigns? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AdCreative AI for influencer marketing campaigns and explain how it can transform your ad strategy. Stick around because by the end, I'll share an exclusive offer to use this powerful tool for free with bonuses. If you're new to AdCreative AI, you're in the right place. This software is a game changer when it comes to automating and optimizing your ad creative process. Whether you're running influencer marketing campaigns, traditional social media ads, or email marketing, AdCreative AI can help you create high-converting ads in no time. The key to successful influencer marketing is not just finding the right influencers, but crafting the perfect ad content that resonates with their followers. That's where AdCreative AI comes in. This tool uses artificial intelligence to generate multiple variations of ad creatives, from images to ad copy, that are designed to perform well. Instead of spending hours creating and testing ad designs, AdCreative AI lets you skip straight to the high-converting ones. One of the most useful features of AdCreative AI is its ability to analyze data from previous ad campaigns to suggest creative improvements. This means you don't have to guess what works. You can make data-driven decisions to optimize your influencer marketing ads. With its machine learning capabilities, AdCreative AI continuously improves the creative suggestions, ensuring that your ads are always top-notch. Setting up an ad campaign with AdCreative AI is incredibly easy. You simply enter some basic information about your campaign goals, target audience, and key messaging. The AI then uses this input to generate a wide range of ads tailored specifically for your audience. This ensures that your influencer partners have high-quality, ready-to-go ad content that aligns with your brand's voice and goals. You can even customize the AI-generated ads by tweaking elements like colors, fonts, and calls to action to better match your campaign's needs. Once the creatives are ready, you can share them directly with your influencers, making collaboration seamless. No more back and forth over ad design or worrying about creating the perfect image. AdCreative AI does it all for you. But that's not all. AdCreative AI also comes with a robust analytics dashboard that allows you to track the performance of your influencer marketing ads. You can see how each piece of content is performing in real time, which lets you adjust your campaign on the fly. Whether you need to test new variations or allocate budget differently, the dashboard provides the insights you need to optimize your strategy. Incorporating AdCreative AI into your influencer marketing ad campaigns will save you time and money, while also boosting your ad performance. It's designed for marketers of all skill levels, so even if you're new to digital marketing or influencer partnerships, you can still create high-performing ads with ease. And the best part, you can start using AdCreative AI for free. By signing up through the link in the description below, you'll get exclusive access to an extended free trial, so you can dive in and see how it works for your influencer marketing campaigns. Remember, whether you're just getting started with influencer marketing or looking to take your existing campaigns to the next level, AdCreative AI is an invaluable tool for any marketer. Don't miss out on this opportunity to leverage AI for higher ROI in your influencer marketing ads. Sign up today and start using AdCreative AI for free with bonus features only available through our exclusive link.